All right, guys. I want to go through something with you guys real quick. I just realized, and the reason why I realized this was because I went to do a sort. I found out that when I taught you how to do this tax, and I had you guys copy it from here to bring it to here, I don't want you to do that. This is how we have to do it. My mistake. We have to change that. The sales tax is still 0.06. Okay? What we have to do in our formula is the following. So I want you to go and highlight all of this and just delete it. Okay? My bad. I want you to go here and I want you to hit the equal sign. We're still going to go and hit on the 80. What we're going to change here, we're going to go and do the star or asterisk, and we're going to hit this. Now, after that, this is where it's different. You go ahead and you type in 0.06. So what we'll do is now, after we put that 0.06 in here, now we hit enter. This is where I'm realizing that if I click here, now I can actually drag this down and it's picking up the 60 and it's taking off the 6%, or it's multiplying that 6%, and it's coming up with the right amount. So that's kind of where I messed up. So I want to make sure that you guys see that. And it's really important here because this is what we're going to do. What we're going to do here at this one, we're going to go and highlight all of our data. Okay? And I kind of changed the size of mine a little bit, and you'll see how I just did that. What I did was I just pointed right here and I double clicked and it expanded it super far. What I'm going to have you guys do is just get it so it's about that far. And like we did yesterday, we're going to shrink down our quantity and we're going to shrink down our cost. And we're going to shrink over our equipment cost. You don't want to go too far over. We're going to do the same thing with the tax. And we're going to do the same thing with the total. What I'd like you to do is take these up here, and I want you to highlight them like I'm doing here, and I want you to go and center them. So once you have those all centered, they'll look like that, and they'll look pretty cool. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go and highlight all of this information here, and I'm going to show you something called sorting. And what this does is this allows you to take all of your information and put it into a regular so what it does is it allows you to go and have this into a sorted, like basically a sort of data, and you'll be able to find stuff easier. So for ours, we're just going to go and do a data, and we're going to sort this by the range of column A to Z. And now it'll put everything in order from A to Z. So B, D, F, it's going to go right down in order of that. Now you could do the same thing if you wanted to. You could go and highlight this and say, I want to figure out what's going to cost me the most. All right, what out of all of this stuff, what's costing me the most? And I want that on top. So what you could do here is you're going to go and choose a sort range, and you're going to change this right here from not A, but because like our money is in, or the total is in F, we're going to go to F, and we're going to change we don't want a header to be shown at all, and we want the highest one, which would be Z, okay, because A would be the smallest, so Z is going to be the highest, and we're going to do the sort. So now the most expensive one, which was our tennis ball that we bought, that's on top now, okay, so see how that one switched over to on top. That's basically how you do the sort. Alright, once you're done with that, go ahead and go on to the next movie.